Opportunity. Below market price exceptional investment opportunity in Bella Vida Resort, a gated community known for its proximity to Disney World and luxurious amenities. This completely renovated 4-bedroom townhome with 3 full bathrooms offers a private pool and an inviting open floor plan. Brand new kitchen, bathrooms, appliances, and flooring, no carpet in this property, complemented by stylish new furniture. Ideal for short-term rentals, long-term rentals, or as a primary home, this property is in high demand. Enjoy resort-style living with access to a clubhouse, resort pool, courts, picnic areas, playground, gym and more. Don't miss this chance to own a piece of paradise at an unbeatable price. Discover this beautifully updated end-unit townhome in a secure, 24-hour gated resort community, just minutes from Disney. Enjoy your own private heated pool, perfect for relaxation after a day at the parks. The community boasts an impressive array of amenities, including a zero-entry resort-style pool and spa, clubhouse with a movie theater, game room, club, and fitness center. Stay active with basketball and sand volleyball courts, playgrounds, all connected by scenic walking trails.